everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you all so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe or turn notifications on, be the first 20 people to comment hashtag #ChillFication once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make some super cool and easy fidget toys. I'll be showing you guys how to make a simple dimple, a stress ball, and a snow globe fidget. Currently in my slime shop, I'm having a 20% off sale if you use the code SUMMER. My slime shop will be linked down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. First up, I'll be showing you guys how to make a DIY stress ball. Now to make the stress ball, grab an empty plastic water bottle and some Orbeez. And go ahead and place them inside the water bottle. So right here, I'm just grabbing a funnel and putting in the water bottle. This will just make it easier to put in the Orbeez. There we go. Now grab a balloon, preferably a clear one. I'm using this white one. And then blow it up, just like this, and then twist it. While it's twisted, go ahead and place it onto the top of the water bottle. And then you can untwist it. Pour the Orbeez into the balloon, so just flip it upside down. Squeeze out a lot of air. And now tie the balloon. And once you've tied your balloon, your stress ball is all complete. Look at that. You guys, this feels exactly like a store-bought stress ball. If you have Orbeez and a balloon, go ahead and make this right now. You guys, this is such a good stress ball, and I'm so happy I put in a lot of Orbeez so that it's like big and it fits perfectly into my hand. And if the tail bothers you, can just cut it off. Now I'll be showing you guys how to make a DIY simple dimple fidget. Grab some kind of thick piece of paper and then start drawing your design, basically what you want the outside of your simple dimple to look like. I want mine to look like a flower. So I am just going to go ahead and draw like a flower shape. Then grab some kind of cap. I'm using a glue stick cap right here, and then place it onto the center of your outline to trace a circle. Now go ahead and cut this out. Now that you've done that, go ahead and place the one that you just made onto another piece of paper and trace it. Basically, our goal is to make one more of this, and then cut it out. Now you should have 2 flowers. Now grab some craft foam. I'm using the color yellow because it will go in the center of the flower so it will look like cute daisies. Now go ahead and cut out a small square from the craft foam. So make sure it's just larger than your cap that we used earlier. So like this, and then just cut it out. Grab some kind of small ball that fits inside your cap, just like that. The way I made this ball is I just took some Play-Doh and rolled it into this ball. Now grab your foam square and a hair straightener. Put it to like the lowest setting and then heat up the foam. Hold it for a few seconds. Now quickly, while it's warm, place it on top of the cap and then put the ball in. And push it in very hard. Now you should have something that looks like this. Take the piece of paper that we cut out and then place it, make sure it fits, and now we're just going to trim this. But leave a little bit of space so that we can glue it onto the piece of paper. Now grab your cutouts. I'm grabbing my flowers. Make sure the pencil is on the inside. So I'm taking my little Pop-It yellow piece, like this, and then glue it on with some basic Elmer's glue. You can also use hot glue, but regular glue is also fine. Place the foam. I'm going to put more glue on the rest of the petals. And now just quickly let it dry. And if there's some uneven stuff on the edges, you can just quickly cut them off. Once it's dried, your simple dimple is all complete. You guys, my daisy looks so pretty. Now let's pop it. Whoa, you guys, this is literally just like a real simple dimple. because it pops all the way. I really like this fidget and I'd rate it a 10 out of 10, highly recommend it. Next up, I'll be showing you guys how to make a snow globe fidget. Grab some kind of jar with a lid, and then take some glitters. Right here I have these blue ones, so I'm just going to put them inside my jar. Here I also have these super pretty glitters, I'm going to add some in as well. Add in a little bit of clear glue. This will help the glitters move more slowly, but if you do not have clear glue, simply add in some clear shampoo instead. So you only need a little bit. Now take some water and fill it up all the way. If you want, you can add in some food coloring to give it a little bit of color. Here is our mixture, and close it tightly. Now go ahead and shake it up real good. You might want to use a stick or something to mix it up. And now your snow globe is all completed. If your glitters move too fast, you can simply add in some more shampoo or clear glue. It is so satisfying and relaxing to look at. I would definitely recommend making this fidget. So right over here were all the fidgets we made today. The stress ball. I really like this. It is literally just like a store-bought stress ball. The Daisy Simple Dimple. Super realistic. I love how it works. And the snow globe fidget. Comment down below which fidget toy was your favorite and which one you'll be trying out. My favorite is probably the Simple Dimple. Make sure to check out my other DIY fidget toy videos. They'll all be linked down below in the description box. So that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. Make sure to check out my slime shop down below and use the code SUMMER to get 20% off your order. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.